Every step, every breath, every action. Everything we do affects our world. With 7.3 billion people living on Earth, we affected a great deal. From clearing forests, burning fossil fuels, or polluting our oceans, we neglect the care of it. Every year, 8 million tons of plastic and other trash products are thrown into the ocean, causing environmental hazards to ecosystems and organisms in the ocean. Here in Modern Day, we have decided to counteract this growing problem. How we are doing that is taking normally considered waste products and turning them into resources to create a long-lasting sustainable bench. We are taking Urbanite, which is broken up concrete, earth bags, which are made from the dirt we've excavated from our site, and Gatorade bottles filled with trash that would take thousands of years to decompose in landfills. From the foundation up, we have considered the most environmentally sustainable resources we can use. In every building process, countless hours of research and design are required. From measurements of the bench to little finishing details, each member had a hand in the creative and engineering process. Our current design is an L-shaped bench accompanied by a small table. The first step to our project was excavating and measuring our site, clearing it all of the non-native shrubs, and digging an area of 8 feet wide by 12 feet long and 8 inches deep. After that, we spray painted the area of the bench's foundation. The second step was taking dirt from the excavated site and creating earth bags for the bottom of the bench. Taking a burlap bag, we filled the bag slowly with dirt, stopping after every 3 shovelfuls of dirt to mix in water to help the dirt become firm. The third step was digging holes for the metal poles for the backing of the bench. In order to sustain our bench, the use of metal poles is required to help hold the backing of the bench. To securely place these poles, we dug 1-foot holes. The fourth step was filling the site with gravel until it reached the surrounding ground level. The fifth step is bottle breaking. Each bottle is packed with trash by the students through pushing it into the bottle and compressing it down with a ruler. Once each bottle is packed, they are then measured to reach around 27 to 30 grams and packed away for compression tests. In the compression test, we stand or place weights on the bottle to make sure that they can withstand the weight of a person resting against it. The sixth step is the laying of the foundation through Urbanite and other waste materials. Urbanite is a major part of our bench, creating more than half of the bottom of the seat. The seventh step is cobbing. Cobbing first starts off with taking a bucket of dirt and laying it out and taking out all of the rocks. It continues with adding a bucket of sand and slowly mixing in water. There are 4 people on each end of the tarp and they slowly pass it back and forth. Once it's completed, the students make cob balls which will go on directly to the bench. After adding enough cob, the students check to make sure that it is level. The 8th step is plastering. Plastering is 1 bucket of sand, 1/5 bucket of lime, and 1/5 bucket of cement mix. The cement, lime, and sand are slowly mixed together with a bucket of water. Once the mixture has become thick enough, dried horse manure is added to the mix. The bench is then coated in plaster and used to put on the tiles. Not only do we hope to help our Earth through this project, but inspire all of you as well to be an active change in it.